Camtasia, Snagit. If you're looking for a screen recorder, as well as a bunch of other built-in video editing capabilities, as well as audio editing capabilities, one of these two tools may actually be the right one for you. The question is, which one is it? We're going to check out their features today, and we'll make that decision. Let's get into it. So let us jump into Camtasia. So Camtasia combines screen recording and editing in one platform, making it ideal for creating tutorials, training videos, and even webinars. It's an all-in-one tool, and their approach simplifies the workflow for educators as well as business users. Users can also seamlessly replace backgrounds with the chroma key functionality, enabling a more polished, professional-looking video, and this is perfect for presentations or creating video projects. You can add quizzes, clickable links, and hotspots to your videos to make them more engaging and interactive. The feature is particularly useful for e-learning and training purposes. Camtasia also offers pre-designed templates, themes, and presets to streamline video creation. It makes it a really beginner-friendly tool while speeding up the editing process. One or two of their drawbacks, however, is for professionals, Camtasia lacks advanced editing tools like 3D effects or even Hollywood-grade color grading, which might kind of restrict your creativity flexibility slightly. Also, Camtasia comes with a hefty one-time price, which might not be feasible for casual users or anybody that's doing video editing more as a hobby. All right, let's jump into Snagit. So Snagit allows you to capture and edit images with ease. It adds annotations like arrows, callouts, and even text boxes. It's ideal for those short video captures. It enables you to record up to 60 seconds of screen activity directly. It actually also seamlessly integrates with Panopto. For longer video recording and sharing needs. So if that is what you're looking for, you can integrate it. It also exports directly to PowerPoint for easy incorporation into presentations, which is great. And it has a bunch of other easy sharing options. So you can share it via links or as an attachment file in emails or even other platforms. One or two of the drawbacks, Snagit is focused more on image editing and lacks advanced video editing capabilities. And also, it doesn't support interactive elements like quizzes or click-to-reveal interactions. Now, ladies and gentlemen, both of the softwares that we just had a look at are amazing. They boast of features and they are pretty packed. Which one will you be using? You can drop it in the comments section below, and we will see you in another awesome video.